Anthropology needs to clearly identify its inescapable interlocutors within the West itself. If in the rhetoric of the savage slot, the savage is evidence in a debate between two Western interlocutors, if indeed that rhetoric is most powerful when couched as a response to a clearly identified addressee, then anthropology should abandon the fiction that it is not primarily a discourse to the West, for the West, and ultimately about the West as project. What I really appreciate about this passage and about Trouillot's work generally is how clear-eyed he was about anthropology as the savage slot. That is, anthropology's location within a broader constellation of disciplines, a constellation that is itself part of North Atlantic political hegemony, what he called the West as project. He's basically saying, let's understand what anthropology is. Let's not misunderstand it as somehow disconnected from the geopolitical asymmetries of the world we live in, whereby we can decolonize the discipline as if that's simply a disciplinary endeavor, as if that can possibly happen without undoing American geopolitical power. Rather, let's understand our limited function in American academia as academics and actually utilize that politically. That's not ideologically sexy. It's a deeply pragmatic argument, but it embodies Trouillot's ability to link multiple scales in his analysis of power, how power works in the West on a broad geopolitical and geoeconomic scale, and in Western academe on a smaller scale, always linked to this broader scale. It also embodies his uncompromising analysis of academe, and it embodies his insistence that given academia's inherently geopolitical location, we academics need to do our political work consciously as inherently geopolitical subjects.